rode pretty nicely, I'm not gonna lie. This thing would absolutely decimate my older Camaro SS with just headers and an intake and tune. And ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our destination, Homestead Miami Speedway. Thank you, sir. You staying hydrated out here? It's hot as dude.
I stay in there, I got AC.
Bad.
It was calm, but this bitch started baking, boy.
Oh my. Come back! Oh my lord! Nice to meet you. So this is Aisha with her 5th gen Camaro SS with the cam headers, intake, tune, and of course here is the boy, the man, the myth, the legend, Bryce with his 992 Turbo S that is destroying pretty much everything that we put it up against.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. Today I'm at Homestead Miami Speedway for the Give Back at the Track event. The Giving Back is a $50 ticket donation. You get to basically do 6 laps around the Homestead Oval Track. This is where basically the NASCAR road course is.
It's pretty much all intake system. Ported intake system, intake manifold, exhaust lawn tubes, nothing restricted.
I see a lot of wiring there. What's that for?
Because it is 6.4 swapped, it was a 5.7.
Oh,
So,
interesting.
I do have a flame kit on it. I do have lights on it.
I want to do a little pulley on the, if we get it straight, let's do something.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see. We're going to be doing some runs with this car. I definitely want to see where I stand with a massive 8 supercharged V8 versus a twin turboed inline 6.
Beautiful car, bro.
Thank you. Yes.
What's the YouTube channel?
GV and then aspirated.
TV aspirated.
Yeah. Check out this 5th gen Camaro SS 1LE, which is basically a Camaro ZL1, same suspension components, everything is pretty much borrowed from the ZL1, except the supercharger. That LS3 growl, man, it's so, We're gonna start getting ready to go on the oval track now. It's a fighter jet flying over the speedway. There's actually an air base a few miles away from us. Hello.
May I see your driver's license?
Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and initiate track mode, which is PTMS 5, race, active handling off, and the suspension mode track. I'm gonna be monitoring the cooling just to be sure. Oil temp looks good too. Oil pressure looks good. Voltage, fantastic. Look at this bank, guys. Holy shit. He definitely got the lead on me. Awesome! I thought that was the Mustang. Oh shit! Yo! That shit is crazy. Jesus, bro. Yo, I thought my car just blew up, dude. What the? I downshifted at the same time you popped and I thought my motor blew. I'm not even kidding.
Well, you're gonna feel some good G's today.
What do you mean by that?
All right, guys, so this is the 992 Turbo S, and we're gonna be taking it now on the oval as a passenger. In front of us, we were mentioning that there's a Gladiator that was doing the oval track, and he's doing it because this is actually a Demon swapped engine. That's right, guys. The engine that you would find inside of a Demon is inside of this Gladiator. It makes 840 horsepower. Let's get out of here.
Oh yeah.
100, 105. 100, bro. It's so shit.
Like I'm braking like too much.
Yeah, you gotta let into it. Oh my god.
170. I was in a G4. 1.5. Maybe 110. 0.7.
No. Wow. Try to reel in the. Oh my god, yo.
Oh, that's a big ass crack.
That's a huge crack. Dude. Let's go. Reel him in, bro. Reel him in.
They already put it up. I'm on ZL6.
Oh my god. Dude, that's crazy. Let's go, let's go! He's recording too. Oh my. Alright, we all have to break. No, but you smoked them. Come on, baby. We're almost there. My gosh, dude. No, this thing is an absolute monster. No, we still haven't hit that 1G, but damn, dude. And it's big. Rock chips sold separately.
Yeah.
There you go. Bro, it literally was not moving. What the hell? Man, I want to review or drive a C8 Z06 so badly, guys. Make it happen, please. I beg you. Next ride along is gonna be this BMW M2. That actually sounds good. Wow. Dude, that's fantastic. Hey, wow. Ate him up, bro. You got this, brother. You got this. This is yours. Come on.
Fuck yeah.
Let's fucking go!
140.
Oh, wow. That was a fun ride, man. Sir, thank you very much. Pleasure. Is it loud? Yo. Yo, those turbo, the whistles, bro, the whistles is crazy. V6 just pulled up. What up? Look at this, guys. 5th gen gang pulling up. Who's this diva right here? Yo, I think low-key that's a cop. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, that's Public Works. Literally out of all places. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the first time oval track at the Homestead Miami Speedway experience with my 5th gen ZL1. If you guys remember, I did the same thing with my Camaro SS a few years ago, and it's just so crazy coming back with such a more potent and capable and honestly just competent car like the 5th gen ZL1. Taking it through those bends at those high speeds definitely was a little bit intimidating, but it does give it a lot more confidence with the magnetic ride control and the beefier suspension that the ZL1 has versus the SS. But what really is important is the tire. That honestly was my biggest concern, just because I've had so much issues with these tires in the past. I wasn't really too sure if I wanted to really push them to that extent with this video and with this day today. But ultimately, guys, this thing handled incredibly. It was so much fun to rip it on the straightaways with the sound resonating from the walls. I mean, it was just such an awesome vibe, guys. I definitely recommend you come out to the Homestead Miami Speedway and partake in the oval track, the 1/8 mile track, and also the road course track. So that's gonna be the 3rd track that I wanna experience with my 5th gen ZL1. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative and somewhat entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. The goal for this month, August, is 100,000 subscribers. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell down here so you don't miss any of my future videos with my 5th gen ZL1, with my friends, or any other cool cars. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.